making Misty Mud bath fizzes or bath bombs. You will need 1 cup of bicarb soda, half a cup of citric acid, half a cup of Epsom salts, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 3 drops of blue food colouring, and 1 teaspoon of lavender oil or any essential oil. First, add all your dry ingredients into a bowl. Epsom salts, citric acid, bicarb, and cornstarch. Now mix. Next, combine your wet ingredients in a bowl. Add oil, lavender oil, food colouring, a teaspoon of water, and mix. Next, it's time to add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients, but not all at once. Pour approximately a teaspoon worth of your wet mixture into the bowl and then mix it immediately. You need to combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients really quickly so it doesn't activate the bath bomb. Repeat this until everything's combined. Once all mixed together, if you notice your mixture is still dry and crumbly, you'll need to add more water. To do this, add 1 teaspoon of water at a time while mixing until it starts to combine. You can tell the mixture is combining right when it stops falling through the whisk and starts to clump up. Then, grab a silicone mould. Yours can be any shape. We kept ours as half domes to make things easy. Fill up your moulds and then put your bath bombs into the freezer for 1 hour. Once they're done, carefully pop them out and you're ready to give them a go in a nice warm bath. See you next time!